Hello, welcome back to Oliver's greenhouse. Now I've just got back from work and it's been a long, drear day, but sitting on my desk has been this box. Now we're in a fantastic situation where I've done another plant swap with a gentleman called Dan Evans who lives up north, I think it's Shropshire somewhere. And we became sort of friends on Instagram, and we chat with each other, usually about plants, plant-related things anyway. So I sent a big box, like a 3-kilo box of plants up to him, and in return, he sent a box of plants down for me to open. So we're going to be doing an unboxing video today, and I already know there's some Nepenthes in here, and there might be a Drosera regia as well. So we've got to get it out because the Drosera regia apparently is bare root, so it's going to need potting up anyway. So what I'm going to do is we've got Harry and Emma with me today as well, because it's still early in the day and they wanted to come along for the video. So they're here for the meantime. So what I'm going to do is fingers out the way, kids.
Daddy, how will I do, Daddy?
It's a box for the plants, Emma. So we're going to open it up and have a look at the plants we've been sent and have a little chat about them. And then probably going to do another video a bit later on, potting these guys up.
Yep, I love potting trees a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you guys might be in bed by then.
Don't.
Right.
I'll
Okay.
pot some up.
So it says, seed packed in a box of bubble wrap just for you. Just kidding. Enjoy the plants and seeds and keep up the great content. So there, we've got some seeds in here in this little pouch. Hopefully you can see that. Nice little note from Dan. I want to open them very carefully without cutting anything. There might be some really interesting seeds in here we can grow together, Harry, in the heated propagator.
Okay.
On the windowsill.
Ooh.
There might be some Venus flytrap seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be cool, wouldn't it? Right, so let's have a little look. Got an itchy nose. Oh, someone must be talking about me. Right, let's have a little look. So there are some Sarracenia minor var Oki 4-foot clone. Crossed with itself, 2017. So we've got some Sarracenia seeds. We've got some fresh Drosera regia seeds. Now these guys are notoriously hard to grow from, well, they're not hard to grow from seed. It's hard to keep them alive when they're small plantlets, but I've got a few tips and things I've learnt myself, so we'll be doing some videos on sowing those. And we've got a big bag. What, can you read what that says on there, Harry?
But born or.
Well, that's a duh, not a burr. So that's pronounced Dionaea. And that is the Latin genus name of Venus flytrap. So all of those.
There's some seeds.
Yeah, those are all the seeds. Those are King Sundew seeds.
Yeah, King Sundew.
Yeah, big plant. And we've got to plant them and then they'll grow. That's the writing on the front telling us what it is. It says Drosera regia, 20 seeds. So Daddy's been sent these and lots of Venus flytrap seeds. So we can go ahead and we can plant some of those and put them on the propagator in the sitting room and you guys can watch them then every day.
Eat flies, Daddy.
They do eat flies, absolutely.
I'll find as most flies get, put it on top, then open it out and put all the flies in with Venus flytrap.
You mustn't feed them too much though because you can kill them. Right, so here we go. We've got one King Sundew, which has been packed in a Ziploc plastic bag with its roots wrapped in some sphagnum moss. Hope you guys can see that there. So we need to get that guy potted up straight away because they can be temperamental. So what else have we got in here? Do you want to take something out, Harry? Not the big box. Take one of these. We'll get to the box. This one on top. Let's have a look at what that is.
I'll see it.
Let's see what it says. So this is Drosera nidiformis Magaliesberg, South Africa. So we've got an awesome South African Sundew. I like those a lot. So that's fantastic. That's one for the greenhouse.
Woo.
Emma, do you want to take one out? How about this one here? Pull. There we go. Do you want Daddy to read what it says?
Yeah.
So that's Sarracenia purpurea, subspecies purpurea, Prosk Island, Canada. So we're going to be able to pot that guy out. That's a little, it's like a hardy carnivorous plant. Remember the ones that were growing in the bog garden? We've got some of those.
Got this one.
Okay, put it out then. What's that? That is all wrapped up. But I can see it says Nepenthes on it. So we'll get them out and then we'll open them up in a minute. And we've got another one here as well. There's another big Nepenthes. Look, see the plant there?
is
Do you see it with the pictures?
only a little thing too.
Little picture. That one's got a bit damaged in transit. That has, but that's okay. Look at that little fella there.
They're little ones.
I know, but we don't know what they are. So let's pop them down here. We'll put this bubble wrap back in this box here. We'll lay these things out. Okay, so I've laid the whole haul out, or the plant delivery, just in front of us on the table so we can get a better idea of what we've got. This is very excited about this. Hopefully it's going to zoom in on it. This is Nepenthes palawanensis. This is from Salton Peak, Palawan. Now this thing produces enormous pitchers in maturity, even bigger than that in Boreae and Raja, I think. So this thing's an amazing Nepenthes. I'm really chuffed with that. Thank you ever so much, Dan. That's much appreciated. I've got a Nepenthes mirror just here in front of us. And there's the clonal number on there as well. Absolutely fantastic. Very beautiful, very attractive pictures. We've got another Drosera regia. So that's 2 now in the greenhouse. I'm really happy with that. The other one I've got some big news about. It's kind of turning into a bush, but I'll explain why later. I've got a little Sarracenia purpurea subspecies, Purpurea, Prosk Island, Canada. And this guy's all wrapped up. I haven't taken it out yet because I'm going to pot it straight up. A little Drosera nidiformis from Magaliesberg, South Africa. In fact, we love a South African sundew. And then we've got the 3 packs of seeds just over here. The Diania seeds, Harry's very excited about those. The Drosera regia seeds, Harry's very excited about those. And then we've got the Sarracenia minor var Oki, is that Oki Kanofi? I think it is, but it's a 4-foot clone. So that'll be a good sized plant when that guy's grown. So that's a mega plant delivery. Thank you ever so much, Dan. Much appreciated. Okay, so that's a quick look at the plants that I've been sent. I'm really, really happy with them. And also it gives me a little job to do a bit later on as well. And also, because it's the bank holiday weekend this weekend here in the UK, so we've got a 4-day weekend. That means we can get on and plant up these seeds. And I'm definitely going to be using the heated propagator on the Drosera regia seeds, because I think a little bottom heat for these guys is going to really, really improve and increase germination. So I'm excited to see how those guys turn out. And plus it can be a real challenge keeping the seedlings alive. But more on that in some following videos. So this is signing off really. Thanks again, much appreciated. I really hope you enjoy the plants that I've sent you as well, Dan. And yeah, stay tuned for another video from Oliver's Greenhouse. Thanks for watching.